River channelization exists for several common reasons: to tame floods, farm fertile bottomlands, and ease navigation. These have taken place on increasingly large scales worldwide, particularly in wealthier nations, since projects of reclaiming wild coastlands, draining wetlands, paving over marshes, and converting bottomlands into proper farmlands or housing in business districts is very expensive. For example, in the United States, 6 to 7% of U.S. rivers flow between man-made banks. Some of the most significant Great River transformations involve the Mississippi River and levees near marshes and bayous in Louisiana. The projects were so extensive that the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers failed in multiple attempts to tame these mighty water systems from the mid-1800s to present times. Because of rapid redirection of water and pollution from agricultural and industrial runoff, many species of vertebrates and invertebrates have gone extinct or become critically endangered in the past 150 years. According to McNeil, by 1970, American farmers had drained up to 17 million hectares, about the size of Georgia, of wetlands, creating some of America's finest farmland while obliterating wildlife. About one-third of the endangered species in the United States are, not surprisingly, found only in wetlands. This kind of vulnerability is especially true in examining the damage shrimp and rice farms in Southeast Asia have had in the extremely valuable and diverse habitats of mangrove swamps. People and native animals, species of animals and plants in those regions have been forced to leave the conquered swamps they once called home, or to die. Many locations such as Tokyo, Holland, and Singapore are built on massive areas of built-up coastal lowlands that were once thriving biological filters of the surrounding brackish and saltwater habitats, all for the sake of creating industrial and housing districts. The current amount of land that is artificially built up over coastal lands as a collective is around the size of Iceland or Spain.